Have you ever pondered the true power of unity and community? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? The power of community is a remarkable force, a bedrock that shapes our lives. Humans, you see, are inherently social creatures. We're wired to connect, to build, to grow together. We find strength in unity, solace in shared experiences, and triumph in collective endeavors. It's in our nature to thrive in a community. As an individual, we are one drop, but together, we are an ocean. Let us delve into a real-life illustration of the power of community, the miracle of Dunkirk. Picture this. It's World War II, and around 300,000 Allied soldiers are stranded on the beaches of Dunkirk, France. They're surrounded by enemy forces, with the chilling waters of the English Channel their only escape. An impossible situation, or so it seemed. But then something remarkable happened. A call went out across the British Isles, a call to every man and woman who owned a seaworthy vessel. Over 800 boats, from Navy destroyers to fishing trawlers, from yachts to lifeboats, answered that call. Many of these were privately owned and operated by ordinary British civilians, people who knew the waters, but not the war. These weren't soldiers or sailors. They were fishermen. They were weekend sailors. They were people who'd never seen a battle. Yet they risked their lives to sail across the channel, under the shadow of enemy fire, to rescue their countrymen. Their unity, their sense of community, transformed an impossible situation into one of the most significant mass rescues in history. The miracle of Dunkirk wasn't just a military operation. It was a testament to the power of community, to the strength of ordinary individuals when they band together for a common cause. In the face of adversity, the unity and community spirit of these ordinary civilians achieved an extraordinary feat. Now, imagine the power of community in your own life. Picture your local community, whether that be your neighborhood, your school, your workplace, or even an online group you're part of. Each one of us plays a unique role in these microcosms of society, contributing to their vibrancy and vitality. Take a moment to think about the potential for change that lies within these communities. The power to instigate positive change, to drive progress, to overcome challenges. It all lies within our collective hands. When we pool our resources, skills, and ideas, we become a force to be reckoned with. We can accomplish feats that would be impossible for one person alone. Imagine what we could achieve if we all leaned into these communal relationships, if we all gave a little more, cared a little deeper, and collaborated a little closer. Remember, alone we can do so little. Together we can do so much. Engage with your community today and unlock the potential of unity.